What number is halfway between 2/3 and 3/4? This is basically finding the average, or the arithmetic mean. The formula for the arithmetic mean is the sum of the terms divided by the total number of terms you have in the dataset. Our dataset has two fractions for their terms. To start the problem, you want to take 2/3 plus 3/4.
To add fractions, you must have a common denominator. In order to get a common denominator, you must find the least common multiple of 3 and 4. This number is 12. You then multiply both the numerator and the denominator of each fraction by the factor that will get the denominator to equal 12. For 2/3, this number is 4 over 4, or 1. For 3/4, this number is 3 over 3. You must multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number, so it is being multiplied by 1, and what you are doing to one side, you are doing to the other. You then multiply the fractions out, so the 2/3 will turn into 8/12, and the 3/4 will be 9/12. You then add straight across, having the fractions equal 17/12.
Now that you've added across, you want to divide by the number of terms you have. So this would be divided by 2, or 2 over 1. To divide here, when dividing fractions, it's actually easier to multiply by the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse. This is done by reversing the numerator and the denominator. So I'm going to do that to the 2 over 1 here. So the problem becomes 17/12 multiplied by 1/2. Again, you can multiply straight across. So 17 times 1 would be 17. 12 times 2 would be 24. As you can see, this actually corresponds to D over here. You want to make sure it makes sense within the problem as well. So is 17/24 between 2/3 and 3/4. If you were to find a common denominator with this 24, you'd find that it is indeed between 2/3 and 3/4. So your answer, again, is D.